Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko about Sandy Home Recipe. Today you can share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now me notification bell no. Send me the video be better on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. It's just a smoked fish recipe. Where my fish, my dick I will home what you try. What the salt eka ho. Fish season. Little oil. One mixing it together. We are not that to try ube grille ewoso. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Udi akoshe oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, now where you know what 10 no. Now what send akoshe mu bio ecosystem ebebing. Ahano aye ready no way fi oven nim. One man natural. Now I store and I say where you so. Yep, much as any kind out from my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video be better on Sabeka. Now this is our smoked fish recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.